What's going on, everybody? It's your boy LSA here, and come back at you with another video. This time I know it's different from your normal Camaro content that I like to put out, but as far as that goes, the Camaro's pushed aside during these quarantine hours. I don't plan on going anywhere with it. I do have further plans for that car, and I'll let you guys know in the next video what I have planned for that car. It's really going to take you for a curveball, honestly. I swear you're going to be amazed. But as far as right now goes, right now I just helped out my friend. I got him a new oil pan because he cracked his last one. And right in this video, I just go through a little content to put out there. I sped through, cleaned it up, cleaned out the gasket and everything, cleaned out the mating surface, prepping it, getting ready for it to be put onto the car. Because he did crack his last oil pan, so I'm just helping him out. The past owner of this oil pan that I got it from, he actually, I think he blew his block because there's a bunch of metal chunks in the bottom of the oil pan. So I just made sure I cleaned out everything. I cleaned out the threads on the drain plug, and then I made sure it's not new oil, but I used old motor oil, and I wiped everything down before I wrapped it in the bag, because I know he's not going to put it on right now, and I let it sit. That way when we get ready to put it on, I'll spray clean the inside of it down. That way it can rinse itself, basically. You get another rinse and get out whatever is in there, any metal shavings, any of that. I'm gonna make sure he changed the oil at least like every 1,000 miles. That way he can cycle through and we can get as much as whatever is in there out. But yeah, that's basically it. This literally took me like 10 tries in order to get this intro like at least halfway decent. I know the video quality, like the color grading, is kind of weird. It's because I was playing around with the settings on the GoPro. In my next video, the settings I think personally I got them down pat, especially for like my cinematic views. Wow, here comes a train. Yeah, where did I leave off? Basically, I was playing around with the camera settings. For the next video, I do have the camera settings, I think personally, down pat. Hopefully this quarantine still doesn't last that long. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys leave a like, comment, subscribe. Also go check out my social media pages. I'll be linking those in the bottom and also putting them on my page, on my channel art. And make sure you guys stay safe. It's tough times we're going through and things getting crazy. Make sure you guys stay healthy and everything. Deuces.
Round 1, fight!
And I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Cause you got me holding. And I'll be running, possessed by a low, low voodoo. Fired up like a wolf on a full moon. And we're stuck in a la la land. The tides will turn without us. And I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock. And drive me around in your red Ford, shivers down my spinal cord. Oh, 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 oh. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Hold on.
Real love, now I see you. Yeah, you know I do to make it through the times we had. I see it now, I see it now. Real love, now I break through to show to you that I'm more good than I am bad. I work it out, I work it out. And I'll be somewhere that you need me, and I'll be holding my breath, waiting for you to show. Yeah, somewhere deep inside of you, I know you want me to. You're just afraid to say. Real love, now I see you, and I'll make it through to find the life that we once had. I see it now, I feel it now. Real love, now I see you, yeah, you know I do to make it through the times we had. I see it now, I see it now. Real love, now I break through to show to you that I'm more good than I am bad. I work it out, I work it out. And I'll be somewhere that you need me, and I'll be holding my breath, waiting for you to show.
Well guys, that was the end of the video. It was really just a real quick time lapse I used to get out there, you know, put some content up on the channel of what I was basically been doing since I've been MIA from YouTube. But I'll make sure to keep you guys updated in the next video as far as the project on the Camaro and what else I have going for that situation there. I'll make sure to try to at least put out more content on this channel, but I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you stick through this long, make sure you guys go down and leave me a thumbs up, subscribe, you know, share, and give me a follow on my social medias. It's been your boy LSA. I'm out. Peace.